Hi, this is Ian Khan, and in this video we're talking about robotics. Have you seen the Terminator series of movies in which Arnold Schwarzenegger is a robot? He's this futuristic robot from the future, and he's after this other person that he wants to kill. Well, that's an example of a very complex robot, something we do not have in the world today. Yet the filmmakers were able to create such a realistic idea of a robot from the future. Come back to Earth now. This is the year 2021, and here today robotics are used in industries such as the car and automotive industry. Today, a majority of plants, car manufacturing plants, have robotics installed, have robots installed, which are these big machines with different arms, and they move at different speeds. They do very specific tasks such as tightening a nut or lifting something and placing it somewhere. And these are industrial robots. These are what are creating efficiency in industry today. Robots and robotics is a very exciting field because today the applications of robotics is going beyond the factory floor. It's going beyond what we have traditionally done in industry. If you've looked at companies such as Amazon and Alibaba and these very large retail organizations, you probably have seen stories with these devices moving across the floor and transporting different equipment and goods and things they need to ship out to different areas within the warehouse floor. And these are robots as well, right? That work on information and data that's fed to them, very specific information, and they're able to create efficiency in the process of that organization. Robotics is of different types. There are robots that perform one single task. There are robots that can do different things. But right now, today, we are still going towards an era where robots can do multiple things, but they can't do everything, right? Their functionality is limited because we haven't been able to create robots that can just be like the robot from the Terminator series of movies. Having said that, robots have a very important role to play in different industries, such as being able to go on rescue missions where people cannot enter, where there's hazard, where there's danger, a nuclear site where there's radiation, and so you can send robots for these things. Robotics is an exciting field, it's a fast developing field, and also the convergence of robotics, the Internet of Things, and artificial intelligence is going to rapidly develop this area of technology. Robotics is here to stay, and it's an exciting field that you should get interested in right away. Take care, and thank you for watching.